Welcome to Broome Library's ScienceDirect database tutorial. ScienceDirect is a multidisciplinary science database that contains research articles, book chapters, and many other types of sources. It's a great place to start if you're researching a topic in the physical sciences, engineering, life sciences, health sciences, or social sciences. To get to ScienceDirect from the library homepage, click on the Databases A through Z link on the left side of the page. ScienceDirect is one of our more popular databases, so you can find it under Recommended Databases on the right side of the page. Let's go ahead and click ScienceDirect now. This will take you to the ScienceDirect main search page. While you could enter your search terms here in the first box, we recommend starting at the Advanced Search page, which gives you more freedom to customize your search. To get to the Advanced Search page, click on Advanced Search to the right of the blue search button. When choosing your search terms, it's important to remember that ScienceDirect isn't like Google, and you'll have to break your search down into keywords or ideas. So if your topic is, how does climate change impact how cities prepare for wildfires? Instead of searching that full sentence, you'd break it down into pieces like climate change, cities, and wildfires. If one of your terms is an established phrase, like climate change, you can put those words in quotes. This tells the database to search for these two words together in this order, rather than each word as a separate term. However, using quotes can sometimes limit your results too much, so it's a good idea to try searching both with and without them. Once you've chosen your terms, go ahead and type them into the top search box. Below this box, there are additional search boxes where you can add specific details like the journal title, author, or year of publication. To get the most current research, we'll enter a date range so that we only search publications from the last 10 years. Toward the bottom of the page, click Show All Fields to reveal additional ways to target your search. The title, abstract, or author-specified keyword box is helpful because if your search term appears in one of these areas, then you know that the search term plays a significant role in the source. Try using this box if you're having trouble finding relevant results in your initial searches. Once you finalize your search terms, scroll down and click the blue search button to the bottom right of the search boxes. This takes you to the search results page. You'll see the total number of search results at the top of the column on the left side of the page. If this number is very large, your search terms may be too general. If it's very small, your terms may be too specific. In either case, try adjusting your terms and searching again. If you need help with this, you can always reach out to a CI librarian. In the center of the page, you'll see your results list. Above each result is a description of what type of source it is. For example, this item is a research article, also known as an academic or scholarly article. But you may also see book chapters or review articles, which summarize the current research on a topic. On the left side of the page, under the Refine By heading, are options you can use to refine your search and get more relevant results. These are known as refiners or limiters. For example, you can use the article type refiner to limit your search to specific types of sources. I'll limit my search to research articles. Because ScienceDirect is a multidisciplinary science database, it allows you to refine your search to specific scientific subject areas, like engineering or social sciences. Because I'm looking at my research topic from an environmental science perspective, I'll select environmental science. Once you select your refiners, the database runs a new search. Notice that the number of results has gone down from 5,288 to 2,009 results. Now let's look at how we can access a source. If you already see the exact sources you need in the results list, simply click the checkbox to the left of each source's title, then click the Download Articles button at the top of the list. However, if you don't yet know what sources you need, find a source from your results that looks promising and click on the title to learn more about it. This will take you to the source's record page. At the top of this page, you'll see the publication information. When you scroll down, you'll notice a gray box labeled Highlights with bullets that summarize the most important points of the research. Scrolling down further, you'll find the source's abstract, or summary. Reading the highlights and abstract can help you make sure the source is relevant for your research. The abstract is also a good place to look for additional search terms. In this abstract, I see the author uses the term Climate Change Vulnerability Assessment, so I could try that in my next search. Below the abstract, you'll find the source's keywords, which are like academic hashtags that describe its main content. These may also be good terms for future searches. If you'd like to email the source to yourself for future reference, scroll back to the top of the page and click the Share button underneath the publication information. Then select Email. You can also click the Add to Mendeley or Cite buttons to import the citation and source into a reference management software such as Mendeley, Zotero, or EndNote. Many citation styles require you to provide the DOI number of your source. This is the Digital Object Identifier. In ScienceDirect, you can find the DOI number underneath the sharing options. If you need support with citations, you can reach out to our Writing and Multiliteracy Center. Now let's discuss how to find the full text of a source. The full text is located on the record page, starting just below the keywords. You can scroll through the text or navigate to specific sections of the source using the outline panel on the left side of the page. If you'd rather read the source offline, click the blue View PDF button at the top of the page to load a downloadable PDF. However, the View PDF button may not always be available. Let's go back to ScienceDirect and take a look at a different example. On the record page for this source, we see a blue Purchase PDF button and a red JSB link button above a message that tells us that this source isn't available in ScienceDirect. Don't click the Purchase PDF button. Instead, click the JSB link button to check if the source is available in another CI library database. If it is available, the source will automatically load in the other database. However, if the source isn't available in any of CI's databases, you'll be taken to a page like this. At the bottom of the page, click Get It to see if our library can borrow the source from another library for you. Now let's head back to ScienceDirect to look at another research article. This time we'll see how one good source can help us find more sources. Whenever you find a relevant source, check out the recommended articles on the right side of the record page. Here you'll see links to sources that are similar to the one you're reading. These can be great places to continue your research. If you scroll down the left side of the page, past the outline, and click on the Cited By button, here you'll see links to more recent sources that reference the one you're reading. These can be great places to find the most recent research on your topic. Thank you for watching. We hope you're now comfortable searching with ScienceDirect. And remember, if you have any questions, look for the Ask a Librarian link or the Ask Us chat button on the library's main page to contact a librarian for assistance.